Anything else?
Carne swimsuit. Which one?
Santi.
Oh yeah.
Look at this gemstone.
Very awesome.
All right, let's go.
Can you loosen them?
Loosen them a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure you wear sunscreen before you go in the water. Ooh, we're going through the lazy river. Ah. This is fun.
You ready?
Mom, look at these gemstones. Mom.
Look at Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Ready? Let's go under the water.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job. Yay, Sam.
You're going for Mark.
Oh my goodness. Let's do this. All right, you can do it. Here, I'll hold your hand. All right, let's do it. Let's show people how brave you are. We did it.
What are these things here?
They're like cave drawings. See, look, there's a Yeti on the wall.
Like
It's meant to look like a excavation site.
it's underwater. I can walk easily.
Yeah. Reindeer.
I'm going with you. I'm tickling Sandy's boot.
Why are you tickling her booty? Are you okay? Okay, be careful. You're shoving water in her face like that. Lay back down. Practice.
Mom, you got you. I wonder where water was, and I went into the sand. Please tell me.
Okay, you're pulling my swimsuit again, baby.
Sorry. How do you know when I'm pulling your swimsuit?
Because I can feel it. Are you cold? Say hi.
I don't.
You cold?
I can't keep my hands up, Dada.
Look like you're swimming.
That's just for us, Mom. So.
I think somebody's fishing.
Nobody. See, there's nobody.
I see the fishing pole. Huh? Is there somebody fishing here?
No, it's a pretend guy.
It's a pretend guy. He has a sign there that says he went skiing.
La 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 la.
Hi, Daddy.
And now catch me. Guys.
Yeah.
So what are those line boxes underwater?
We passed it already.
Why?
Is that what you wanted?
Hello.
Mama, come breathe. What happened to that slowly? Somebody untied that slowly. What is that? I went in the water. I was standing from both hands. I didn't jump from you.
Nice. Santi, what is it? Is that fun? That's a lot of fun.
It's a little.
Look at the sky. You see the sky?
Leaf.
What are those?
Leaf. I have a leaf.
What are you gonna do with them? Don't put it in your face. Is that a public sandwich? Nice. Is that yummy? Emily. You like the sandwich?
Oh yeah, but
What's inside the sandwich?
nothing.
Nothing? I think there's pickles because you love pickles.
Oh yeah.
Sandy's eating a pickle.
Watch me. Look at it.
Nice. All right, Evelyn. Let's go. Time to exit. Evelyn.